All that damn tea. I keep waking up to pee. Farvel, Jason. Ja, det er godt. Jason just told me I'm fat. God damn it. Look at this. Vi ses. Vi ses, Jason. I'm going to the eye doctor. Let's go. Let's get this fixed. There's about 20 minutes to my appointment, so I'm just looking for somewhere to buy something to drink here in Slagelse. I haven't been here for a long time, so I don't know where to go. Check it out. Holy shit, everything is completely different over here. It used to be like the rear part of the train station. Oh my god, it's all gone. And in its place there's now this university, I assume. Maybe it's like a college. Yeah, it's more like a college, high school kind of thing. Damn. Like they just removed half the train station, bruh. Like, I'm sure I haven't been here in a while, but damn. I used to get picked up right over here by the bus to go to my boarding school. Basically all the way down here at the end of the road. And then, yeah, like 20 meters, yeah, like 60 foot or so in that direction, I would go to the loading dock side of the train station. I don't really know. You know, where the trucks pick up their loads and stuff, or unload stuff. Yeah, this is crazy, man. Wow. I'm getting old, man. Shit. The whole city's changing. I just went over here to get something to drink, but yeah, they don't even have a supermarket over here anymore. They used to have a Blockbuster right here, dude. This right here is the last Blockbuster I knew. Let me show you. Right there. Now it's Record Wash and Clean. It's like a dry cleaners now. Oh, and they built a fucking university in here. What, brother? This used to be like, what do you call it? Like a strip mall. You know, this entire long building was just different shops. Now it's two universities. Oh my god, that's crazy. Well, I don't have time to buy anything to drink anymore, but let me just show you one last thing. On this street right here, in fact, I'll show you. On this street right here, one of my childhood friends who went to the same class as me and Mike, one of our classmates, he lived in here somewhere. I don't remember exactly where. I think it's probably like around here, 23 or 21 at the white door. Yeah, he lives somewhere like here. There used to be something on the corner down here called a Red Diamond or something like that. A pub. But yeah, it's something different now. Let's see, maybe they still use the Red Diamond. Nah, it's a bike shop now. World is changing, and look at that. They're repurposing the final bit of old train station. That's like the main train station right there. Repurposing that. Oh, there's a 7-Eleven in there. I'm not trying to waste my money though. So expensive. I'll go to I'll show you guys the shopping mall that we always went to because it was the closest mall to my little town. Yeah, I'll show you that. Not now though. Gotta go to the eye doctor. One final look at my fucked up eye. Hopefully it's the last you're gonna see me like this. I can't wait to get it fixed, man. Alright, here I am at the eye doctor. I gotta put my phone on silent, that's funny. Alright, See you guys. And hopefully no more of that shit. Ugh, so tired of it. Let's hope they can fix it, huh? I got good news, I got bad news. She took a look at that, and also the two others I got over here, and she informed me that, I mean, it's not bad enough to make a surgery, but basically she explained that I got these ducts that go like this throughout my eye, and basically what I'm gonna have to do to loosen this stuff up, it's basically like a whitehead, is what she told me, but to loosen this stuff up and get it out, I basically have to put a hot towel over my eyes for like 10 minutes. Maybe I can just do one eye at a time, right? So I can still do stuff. But yeah, put a hot towel over here for 10 minutes. Then I basically just have to like massage downwards like this. And she even gave me some wipes for the eyes so that the gunk that comes out, so I don't, so it's not everywhere. But yeah, basically it's gonna take a few months of like daily massaging my eyelids, but I'm not gonna need a surgery, right? That's a positive. I mean, I wish I could have just Googled this shit, but yeah, apparently AIs don't know about this stuff, so I'm happy I got the help. And I wished everyone a great day, with patience as well. Gonna sit down here, roll a cigarette, and then I'm gonna collect some paint. I got the bags right here, and I don't really have anything I need to do today. We've done everything we need at Kiki's dad's place when it comes to like cleaning around the house and inside the house as well. Everything I promised has been done, so all that remains now is for the parts I ordered and my tools from Portugal to arrive at his address, and then for me to get to use those tools there in his in the container, which is gonna be his work shed or whatever, his tool shed. And yeah, having set that in order, I'm gonna be able to use it to build my own stuff. It's amazing. He doesn't have the tools I need. That's why I need to ship my tools from Portugal. But yeah, we've done everything we need, and of course we just help out with doing the dishes and a bunch of different stuff around the house just to make it bearable, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go out, collect some paint, make some money, smoke a cigarette first. And yeah, I know it's kind of a little big right now, but that's because she was like folding my eyelid over, like trying to do a method to see how much of it she could get out, but no meaningful amount. She told me it's very important I just do the hot towel method every day, so I'm just gonna have to. Talk to you later. Took the valuables from my bike. I'm gonna go inside here, see if I can find some. And everything is different. I think every single store is different. Like even the design here. Wow. I mean, nothing special. It's just a Nomad. It's actually a Danish chain. Those are in a lot of countries now. They got cheap stuff in there. I might go in there to get some to drink. Ah, look at all this. This always used to be some kind of electronics phone kind of thing. But over here we had a little gag store. I think it's gone. Yeah. I think it was right here. There was a funny gag store where you could buy like what do you call it? Like little fart pillows and all kinds of stuff. No paint. Oh, actually, Intersport is still here. That's funny. That's probably the only store I can recognize here that I know for a fact used to be there. Oh my god, I remember this place, Fralsen. They have the best fucking coffee ever. I hate coffee, but they got a coffee that tastes like chocolate. Oh my god. These things are expensive now, man. Look at that. They make that's some big bars of chocolate right there. Down here, that was my end. Like every time my mom wanted to spend hours in here, me and my little brothers, it was basically only my oldest little brother, we'd just immediately find ourselves down here because there was an EB Games. Let's see if it's still here. I severely doubt it. Yeah, it looks more like a cafe is there now. Oh yeah, and Matas. Is that Matas? No, it's just apothecary. Yeah, this right here used to be my jam. EB Games. Man, things have changed, huh? It's pretty in there though. And then out here on the other side, we got the mix it yourself candy store. Yeah, right over here, Feta Goof. That one still exists. That's nice. But I can't be wasting money on candy today. I gotta make money, right? But there's not really a lot of trash cans in here. I don't think the mall is it. I'm gonna go to the train station and I'm gonna go downtown. I got a feeling the mall ain't it. That's quite a unique church design. I like it. A bunch of kids playing around here. Oh, look at that beautiful mural over there. I'm going back home, guys. I tried looking for bottles. I'm telling you, there's like an army of elderly alcoholic men walking around picking up the bottles and cans in this town. I don't stand a fucking chance. I haven't seen a single empty can in this entire town. I've been riding around for like a good 20 minutes, half an hour. Yeah, nothing to be gained here. Alcoholism reigns supreme once more. What the fuck are the young people going to do, huh? I'm not addicted. Come on now. Got back from the eye doctor. Didn't find a single bottle. I'm eating some leverpostej heated up on rye bread in the microwave. I'm eating some pasta with béarnaise and some meat. Pretty delicious. Man, I grew up on this show, dude. I love this. And it's available both seasons. Let's go. This is so much fun. But you basically have to be Danish.
I kan godt komme ud senere, hvis der er måske. Jeg kan ikke få ind det, fordi det er med arbejde og det der. Okay? Vi ses. Hej. Tænker jeg, det er super fedt, altså. Ja, det gør det.
Look how beautiful the morning is. I stayed up watching Banjo's Liqueur Store all night and just talking to the guys in voice chat. I'm gonna go to bed now.